Catch a fish. Just want to catch a fish. On this little sucker, finally, second fish. All right, guys, with everything going on, Christmas, holidays, and all the stuff in it, before and after, don't forget, I'm partnering up with Clear H2O Tackle. Go to their website and buy whatever you want. There's a lot of cool stuff for winter fishermen, summer fishermen, bass fishing, steelhead fishing, ice fishing, and just every day trying to get better being an angler. Use the code Mayfield TX at checkout for an extra 10% off your order. Go show them some love. They're out of Eagle Lake, Michigan. They show me love. I show them love, and I salute you back to the idiot. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Mayfield here. I want to take a second to remind you that the holidays are fastly approaching us, and some of them are already here. I'm talking about veteran, law enforcement, and medical field friends. Please check up on each other. If you're not feeling okay, ask for help. Check up on your loved ones, check up on your friends. We need each other. Remember, if you need help, I got your six. Hit me up. Now back to the video. How do you get all that out?
I can't. I'm sorry.
What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be about Whatnot. Once again, this is gonna be something I bought off Whatnot, off of a pretty famous YouTuber. His name is Logan Anderson. If you don't know who Logan Anderson is, he's a young man who likes to fish. He's gone through a lot of change in the last few years. He's caught some big fish. He fishes mainly out of a John boat, but he also does kayak fishing. He also has a big, bad bass boat. So he was selling stuff he had overstock with. So of course, he was selling stuff and he didn't care what the price went for. If it went for $1, it went for $1. If it went for more and went for more. He was getting rid of stuff and helping out his subscribers like myself to increase their tackle arsenal. So let's dive into it. Now that I have the right bag, let's dive into it. No, he did not sell a 6-cent bait bag. This is mine that I put it all in so I can take it out in the water and make it easier for me to transport it. All right, so first thing I see, Guggen baits. This is the Guggen Dube Tube 4-inch in the white pearl. Comes with 4. Tubes don't do too well down here, but you know, whatever. Another Guggen Squad Doom Tube. This is in the black and red flake. I think that this is 4-inch. This isn't a 4-inch, this isn't a 3.5. Next thing I found was this Mischief Minnow croaking topwater. This thing looks really cool. I watched a video of him actually fishing with one of these, and he was not a huge fan until he started catching fish. Then he was like, man, this is pretty cool. Throwing that on. All right, next thing we have is going to be a 10,000 fish cycle bait bladed jig. The next thing we got is a 10,000 fish cycle bait spinner bait, and this is in the gold, half-ounce gold, dark Junebug gold 5/0. Next thing we have, is this square bill, the A10, Thunderhawk A10. And this is in the bone, really cool too. And after that, we have an Arc Outlaw topwater walking bait, pretty cool. And after that, we have a Rapala Rattling Topwater Skitter V. And this is just in silver. Black top, drop top. After that, we have a Headbanger, and this is the Slow Sink Crank Shad 3 and Ghost Shad. That's pretty cool. I'm not a huge fan of the head. I'm not a huge fan of the Headbangers, but we're gonna throw it anyways. And then we have a saltwater, which I asked him to sign, the Lawson Lindsay Topwater Walking Bait by Catchco. This is the Beast Walker, saltwater only. But I asked Logan to sign it to go along with my Ben Milliken and other people who have signed stuff for me. And last but not least, we have a worm. This is the Bioscent Plasma Tail. It's got a little bit of chartreuse right here, and it is in the, what color are you? Pumpkin green plasma 6-foot pipe worm. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw this all back in because we don't have a lot of time, and I'm gonna get on the water. Okay, we're back, and Logan Anderson had another Whatnot show, so I bought some more stuff. Like the Fish Lab Soft Bio Minnow. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I don't know if that's it. What color are you? Then we have the Bug Dog, a Japanese jackal bait that is hook-nosed like a drop shot. And then we have a buzz bait from the XPS Bass Pro Shop. And after that, we have a Thunderhawk Grunt Ready Go. Looks like Logan Anderson's already used that. Then we have another Fish Lab Soft Bio Gill. Sinking swim bait in the bluegill. After that, we have another jog bait, a Lucky Strike jerk bait. And then we have some special stuff. So, I asked Logan Anderson to sign something. He's already signed something for me, but as well as he is an affiliate with Guggen. And as much as I haven't really been a huge fan of Guggen lately, I did ask him to sign a Guggen swim jig. So he's gonna sign that for me. And that'll stay up there, right here, somewhere. Whatever. After that, he did send me some free stuff. And that is a Bitsy Bug mini jig, black and blue. He sent me some hooks, some Bandito flipping hook. Then he sent me some Spear Point EWG 3-aught hook. Then he sent me a second pair. Then he sent me some Eagle Claw Trocar 4-aught hook. And then last, sent me some Daiichi World's Sharpest hooks. As well as he sent me 4 bundles of these bladed jigs, 3-ounce Colorado Cycle Blade, the blue, the white and chartreuse, the blue white, and then the white and chartreuse. I have a lot more stuff to fish with, so I'll see you guys back on the water because it has been rough with the doob tubes. Catch you when I wet some lines. Doing some sketchy stuff again. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna get back. Go for it. There we go. Cool beans, bro. Finally got that jig I left at the house the other day. Backlash out of the way so we can adjust this reel. Okay, let's get this. This is that Thunderstruck jig. There's a lot of movement over there. He has some interesting thoughts about how jigs should be used. So we're gonna try that today. Or if it's gonna do just the regular same old South Texas thing. I don't know, curious. Be really curious to figure that out. It hurt. It's really weird that this water's super low. Probably was the cast I was gonna catch fish on. Come on. Come. Big old beetle spin. Can I even see anything with these? Oh yeah. Alright, this isn't it. Let's keep moving. Dang it. Something was chewing on it. Ugh. Sturdy enough. I'm not losing this thing because Texas wood sucks. But since we're out here, that was a fish. Is that a fish? Whatever it is, I'm dragging it. Oh, the damn branch. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Forgot we had the Strike King Itsy Bitsy mini jig, black and blue. Have to cut it at all? Maybe just a hair. Yeah, just a hair. Remember guys, do not leave trash. Remember guys, do not leave your trash here, outside. Take it with you, throw it away, leave it as clean as you can. We are gonna use these crawls again, so it's kind of like using 2 in 1. I feel like this jig is made a little bit better than the last one. Where does it go to? Right above the forehead? Get out. I hate about these little jigs. These little things get everywhere. I'm about to do some sketchy stuff. Doo-dah, doo-dah. I'm about to do some sketchy stuff. Doody, doody. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Hopefully this doesn't break. I'm about to launch this. Way over there. No, no. Gosh, that scared the living tickles out of me. Okay. Got one of these bio minnow things. I'm up using a 6" 6/0 stout extra wide hook, EWG. Probably should have used a 7. Soft plastic minnow. The last like major bite I had on some of these minnows, it's definitely not too much smaller than that, so this being super duper bright, maybe I can figure something else out. Have fun with it. I don't know. If I don't catch anything on this, we're going home for the day, and this will continue back in Huntsville for New Year's when I'm doing like 17 videos at once. At least it looks cool. Alright. Kind of heavy, even without any weights. Yeah, that wasn't it. I think that needs a keel weighted like 8/0 for it to swim correctly. Because otherwise it just goes whee! Except it just, yeah. I think that needs to be weighted. Well, you live, you learn, you do new things. It's all right. Alright, cool beans. Oh, nope. I see baby fish. Bass or bluegill or something. Oh, don't want to step in that. That's too muddy. Dang it. Hi, puppies. You're gonna see dogs here. They're neighborhood dogs.
What's up, baby? Hi.
Hey, no, Liam. Oh, you broke it. I hope you got it on camera. Oh no! It had a fish! Crazy, just the other part of town and there's no wind. Oh, wait. Did I have a fish? You had something.
Records checks this morning, so I was like, I hate doing records checks. And I was so bored. I was like, oh yeah, just give me all the names you need and I'll do records checks for them. Like, that's how fucking bored I was today.
Jeez, baby. I see him.
I'm just going to get my mom some gas. So I'm driving for a check for work. So I got to order today because it's not to work and back 4 times. You're supposed to have a full moon tonight or something? What's going on?
Tomorrow night. I like to play pal. There's a bass. Little fish eat. Catch a fish, just want to catch a fish. second fish. I saw the jig too, the purple jig. Saw this little sucker finally. Second fish. All right, we have fished all over Texas now to finish Logan Anderson's video. So we're gonna call it quits. And I'm gonna meet you back in the office where I'm gonna spit a bunch of facts out about this man, how cool he is, how young he is, and yeah, Logan Anderson, if and when you ever see this video, hit me up. I'm not gonna be, I'm gonna be living not too far away from you, on that side of the country, so let me know when or if you want to go fishing. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Logan Anderson is an American YouTuber that was born in Alabama in 2002. His interest in fishing became at an early age. Although he is now in his 20s, he's been doing this for about as long as he's been alive. Or at least that's what ChatGPT's telling me. Fishing taught by his dad, which grew into a very expensive hobby with a creative interest outlet. Logan Anderson started his YouTube channel in 2017, December 29th. Although his channel existed from 2017 through today, his channel didn't start picking up traction until 2020. As he honored his style and tried different topics that would resonate with audiences. One of his early videos focused on new fishing gear that he acquired, such as Shimano and other tackle bottoms. Although in his early career, he started out in 2017, in 2020 his channel started to pick up traction when his first viral video went out about talking about the Shimano Corrado DC and other tackle gear. That's where he found his voice and direction with where he was going. His content today is primarily to showcase bass fishing, gear reviews, tutorials, and techniques on an adventure style outings, where he chooses in different waters. He chooses to catch fish in different waters. A few standout videos include experimenting with inexperienced gear from online marketplaces such as Temu, Wish.com, Walmart, and then documenting other stuff, as well as he is huge about showing off his mega bass collection, because he has fallen into that trap. Logan Anderson, you're not the only one. Not me, but Big Will. Okay, Fred. Logan Anderson represents a generation of anglers who have turned the outdoors and the hobbies that come with being an outdoorsman into its own financial job. With the accessible digital content that educates and entertains on a global level. His channel continued to grow, illustrates both the enduring popularity of fishing content and the appeal of authentic, experience-driven video storytelling. So, Logan Anderson, I appreciate you doing those whatnots. I told you I would let you know when this happens. This video has been taking months to create because I'm pretty sure you came out, was it this summer or this fall? Early fall when you started doing the whatnot shows, you giving out some of that tackle. I told you I'd let you know next time I'm in Georgia, Alabama, North Florida. We can go fishing, Lake Eufaula or something around that time. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Go to Logan Anderson's page. Please like, subscribe, comment, tell him I sent you, and I will see you guys on the next one.
You've got mail. You've got mail.